How to divide fractions. Now here we have a question 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 5. Now how we will divide it? 1 by 2, we will change the sign of division into sign of multiplication and we will take the reciprocal of this fraction. The value in the denominator will become the value in the numerator and the value in the numerator will become the value of the denominator. So 3 by 5 will be 5 by 3 by taking the reciprocal. Now we will do the multiplication. 1 multiplied by 5 is 5 and 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Method is, first we will change the sign of division into multiplication sign. Then we will take the reciprocal of the fraction that is on the right side. Reciprocal means that the value in the numerator after taking the reciprocal will become the value in the denominator.